Okay, we have a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza with a crunched front end and 95 horse engine with power glide. And there won't be a whole lot of drama because I just had it running, but got a wire running to the coil from the positive, and let's see if it'll start. I got gas right there coming. Yeah, I know. Just for a few minutes, guys. Got no exhaust on it, so, but I don't see no billows of smoke coming out of here. It smoked a little bit when I first started it, but you can see in the sun it's running pretty clean. So that's a breath. Without a tune. That's old spark plugs, unrebuilt carburetors, unknown points, slightly burned distributor cap. Let me do another shorter version.